Good morning, students. Now, in this class, we'll discuss the questions of surface area and volume. Yes, in the last class, we have discussed up to question number 8. Now, from here, in this class, we'll discuss from question number 9. So, the lesson is surface area and volume. So, question number 9, solution. So, what is the question? The question is, in figure AB, here a diagram is given. A diagram is given. This is the diagram. So this is the diagram. So in the given figure, AB and CD are two diameters of a circle with center O perpendicular to each other, OA equal to 7, and find the area of the shaded region. Yes? Go wait. Okay, yes. Now see here. This is a circle where CD and AB, these are the two diameters, and this is a circle whose diameter is OD, and this is the shaded portion. This one also is the shaded portion. So here the question is, find the area of the shaded portion. Means this one, and this one. So here now, what is given? The value of OA. OA equal to 7. So if OA equal to 7, then OB also 7, OC 7, OD also 7. And here OA equal, OB equal, OC equal, OD equal 7 centimeter. Yes. Now first find the area of this circle. Area of the shaded circle. It is pi r square or pi radius square. So here pi is 2 by 7 and radius diameter 7, so radius half, 7 by 2. Cancel 11, so 77 by 2 square centimeter. Yes. So answer is 77 by 2 square centimeter. Now next one is, this is a segment. Yes. So if we subtract the area of this triangle, now all these angles are 90. Yeah. If we subtract the area of this triangle from the area of the sector, then we will get the area of the one segment, one minus segment, and there are two minus segments. So that can be find out by first finding the value of this segment, then multiply by 2. So area of 2 shaded segment equal area of sector OCD or area of quadrant. Okay, area of quadrant. Area of quadrant OCB minus area of triangle OBC. So area of quadrant 1 by 4. There are two shaded na? Okay, so it will multiply by 2. So 2 1 by 4 pi r square. Pi 22 by 7. Then r equal to how much? R equal to 7 by 2. Minus area of triangle, half into base into height. Now here 2 11. So 2 into 1 by 2 into 7 cancel, 77 by 4 minus 49 by 2. Yes. Now here see half common up. 77 by 4, 49 by 2. A important 1 by 4 pi r square minus half into base into height. Up to by 4, 77 by 4 years. Then 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 77 minus 49 by 2 equal 2 to cancel. So this one 28 square centimeter. Yes, 28 square centimeter. So what is the answer? Therefore area of shaded portion equals 77 by 2 plus 28 square centimeter equal to 56. 77 plus 56 by 3, 12, 33, 133 by 2 square centimeter. This is the area of the shaded portion. 133 by 2 square centimeter. This 66.5 square centimeter is the area of the portion. Now here, sorry, here radius is 7. This is radius, quadrant radius 7. Na? So after this, next question number 10. Now what is question number 7? Also question number 10. The area of an equilateral triangle is given. This one. Okay, now here this is an equal triangle whose area is given 17320.5 square centimeter, which is vertex of triangle is at center. A circle is drawn with radius equal to half of the length of the side of the triangle. Find the area of the shaded portion. Now here pi equal to how much? Here pi equal to 3.14 and root over 3 equal to 1.73205. So this is the given data. So we have to find the area of shaded region. So how can we find the area? If we subtract the area of these three sectors, see this is the portion whose area we have to find out. Now if we subtract this area of these three sectors, all are equal in measurement from the area of triangle, then we will get the value of the shaded portion. So here in this question what we have to do? First we have to find out the side of the what? So the first we have to find out the side of the triangle. So here what is given? Solution. Question number 11. 10. Given area of triangle ABC given. That is equal to how much? 1730.5. Now formula root over 3 by 4 side square equal 1730.5. 1730.5. Now root of 3 value 1.7320 by 4 into side square equal 1730.5. This same values, yes, but see here after this value 1 2 3 4 5 here 1, so 1 remove, answer how much? 1 1 2 3 4 zeros, so side square equal 40,000, that is 200 square. So what is side? Side equal to 200 centimeter. Side equal to 200 centimeter. Now radius. So you now see side equal to 200. So if side equal to 200, then radius will be how much? So radius will be 10, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100. Yes, got it? Now we have to find the area of one sector. Here all the angles are 60 because it is an equilateral triangle. So area of one sector. Area of one sector. Theta by 360 pi r square. R how much? If this is 200, r equal to 100. The 3 sectors, so you have 3 sectors multiplied by 3. So this one 6, yes, this one 2, then this one 50, yes. So 2 zeros or 2 decimal, 2 zeros remove, 314.5 how much? 0, 5, 6, 7, 15, then 2 more zeros. And here this one, so 1570. So what is the answer? 1570. Yes. Three 114.7. Into 50 equal then 31400.567 then 14 15 15700 square centimeter. Then area of the shaded portion. Therefore area of shaded portion equal area of triangle 15370.5 minus 15700. 17320. 0.5 minus 15700 equal to 0.508 then so 2 0 then this one 2 13 minus 7 6 this one 6 minus 1 1620 1620.5 square centimeter. This one. in our next question, on a square handkerchief, 9 circle design of each radius 7 cm are made. Find the area of the remaining portion of the handkerchief. 11. Okay, the 9 circles are all equal radius 7. This one 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7. So 7 to 6, 42. This is also 42. So here, what is the area remaining portion? Means these are remaining portion. So simple question: if you subtract the area of 9 circle from the area of the square, then we will get the value of the area of the shared portion. So here, first of all, side of a square equal 42 centimeter. So area of square equal 42 into 42. Then area of 9 circle equal 9 into pi r square. Pi r square. Pi 22 by 7 r square. R equals 7. So 7 into 7. Answer? Yes? 9 multiplied by 8, 9, 9, 1, 7, 3, 6, 5, 63, 68, 6, 13, 1, 3, 8, 6. Therefore, area of the remaining portion equal area of square minus area of 9 circles. 1764 minus 1386 square centimeter equal to this one 8, then this one 57, then this one 378 square centimeter. That's all. Yes, nothing else. First find the side of the square. Here each circle, the 9 circles, and all are equal of equal radius, all are 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7. So total side of a square 42. Here also 42. So area of the square 42 into 42, 1764. Then there are 9 circles. So area of 9 circles equal to 9 into area of 1 circle. Pi r square, pi 22 by 7, r 7 into 7, 1386. So area of the remaining portion is 1764 minus 1386. That is equal to 378 square centimeter. Done. So in this class, that's all for this class. In the next class, we will finish this exercise. Thank you.